Ladies and gentlemen, feel better, feel good, feel great, pataas na pataas, because you have the privilege now being the VFF.
With great power comes great responsibility.
Please join me in welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
Palang voice. Ako pala yung face. Ako rin pala yung feeling. You may see it as a stressful thing or a privilege. This is a journey together with each other of mindset, mastery, and mission. Remember, our goal today is not just to learn and parang ang dami naming responsibilities. No. Our goal today is a journey together for mindset, mastery, not just of your task, but of yourself as well, and mission. We have a mission to be the VFF. Our mission here is to be the voice, the face, and the feelings. We are only why. If you're only after why am I doing, and you're not understanding for who and for what is it for, again, we may not love the privilege of being a VFF. We wanted to make a mark, an imprint to your customer's experience. I'd like you to see, you're not yet there, pero when you reach 50 and 60, ikaw mismo magsasabi na, I made a mark. I made a mark. Kakayanin pala ng time management. You just need to understand which ones are creating a high impact, highly aligned, or no impact. Diba? At disaligned. Important is they know already that you as CSO are very firm to announce what's important and not. Customer service is not a checklist. It is the memories you create with every call. Ano pa? It is the life you impact with every call. It is how you want to be remembered. When you are not aligned, when your reason, when yung what is it, or what's the reason why I will do this, is not aligned with your credo, we are missing out really the reason why we are a CSO. What's important is you tried your best to be remembered well. Believe that every person has the capacity to improve. You may not see the result immediately of your rater. You're being reliable, assuring them, making sure that there are tangibles, you apply empathy and responsiveness. Pero magugulat ka na lang whether sa dealership nyo o sa hindi, bili na silang nabili ng hinga just because one VFF experience and Quiet Hero made them feel heard and understood that day.
She is very professional and knowledgeable.
Very informative training, and I learned a lot of this training.
I learned a lot from her. I'm so blessed of knowing about her. She's very lively and she gives us a lot of techniques on how to handle customer complaint.
All throughout po sa training, she was very lovely, bubbly, and then hindi po boring yung the way she explained the topic po.
Hey!